going to start with, first of all, shaking the Zero Chill Face Mist. Done and done. And then we are going to start with the Get That Grime Scrub. I'm really excited to use it because I do still feel some of the makeup on, and I know that this will fix it. So I am just applying now. This is honestly just to prevent me from getting a pimple tomorrow. I don't usually wear makeup if I'm not working, but today I am working, so you all look somewhat presentable. I'm going to go wash it off. Okay, so I just wiped that off, and now I'm going to do the Clean Magic Face Wash. Let's go. Okay, so I'm applying now. Okay, and now, oh, you immediately feel better. Okay, now I'm going to wash it off. Okay, and now I'm going to put on the Dreamy Do Moisturize. This is my favourite part of my skincare routine, is then moisturising my skin after a long day. It needs refreshing, and that is what Florence does for my skin. Okay, so now that's on. I'm going to put, oh, my hands are slippy. Now I'm going to put on the Glow Yeah Lip Oil. Voila! Done. Thank you guys so much for watching.